Whoa! Oh my god. Oh my god.
That is me! Have you seen this little bit? What my flipping heck?
Oh my god.
Hello and welcome to Gadget Joe, and today we're giving a gaming PC to a toddler. Hello folks, yes, today we are handing over a fully custom gaming PC to the one and only Tiny Tim.
Hi, my name's Tim and I'm 3 nearly 6 and today we're going to be trying classic UK snacks.
If you haven't seen the first video, I recommend pausing this one now and going back to check it out. It'll be linked in the description below. In that video, I outlined the purpose of this build, the components used, the parts involved, and even showcased the final build itself. Today's video is a little bit more casual than the first one. This time round I will be presenting the PC to Tiny Tim and I'll be documenting parts of the journey as I go along. Hello folks, welcome to Gadget Joe. Today is the day that we are finally going to be giving the PC build, the custom PC build that we've done for the Celebrity series for Tiny Tim. So I've got everything here that you can see, everything's sort of stacked up, ready to go. I've got the system there. I'm just going to give it another quick clean before I put it in the car. These are all the monitors. I've got one out so that I can get it all set up and the other one's in its box. Everything else is there. I'm going to show you a little bit more about this very shortly in this video, but for now what we're going to do is get everything in the car, get everything ready to go, get the sat-nav set up. I'm going to make a quick stop on the way to Manchester to go and take it, and you'll see that very shortly, and then we're done. So yeah, let's get it all in the car now. Just over halfway on the journey, I stopped in sunny Sheffield to meet up with a good friend of the channel, Andy from Back to the Office, to hand him a motherboard. Those are one of these companies that provided some of the components for this build, and they'll also be helping with some future builds in the series too. We met up at a rather fancy little brewery joint called Triple Point Brewery and Bar to get a coffee and have a little chat. The bar is a stunning little place and they brew their own beer in-house too, so if you're up in Sheffield I highly recommend checking it out. After a drink and a good old chinwag, it was time to get back on the road and make the remaining journey to Manchester. The trip was lovely with some really picturesque, stunning and breathtaking views of the valleys and lakes along the way, and it was a fantastic drive. And then we hit Manchester. Manchester, we need to get real here for a moment. I've driven in big cities before, but this was a whole new beast. Coming from a little town, I take for granted our somewhat reasonably relaxed traffic. Manchester, however, was like a real-life GTA scene. Cars cutting you up left and right and centre without any hesitation. Junctions might as well not even exist, and it's pretty much a free-for-all. And what's more is everybody just seems to accept it. For those living in Manchester and driving that route daily, I salute you. You must have a patience and calm that I simply cannot comprehend in my brain. What should have been 10 minutes to do just shy of 5 miles turned into 55 minutes. But I made it to the venue and got to meet up with Tim and James, his producer. I didn't film a lot of this because I don't want to show people his place of work and location for obvious reasons. But we had a good laugh and chat, and then I got to showing off the build to Tim for the first time.
Right.
Right, we're here with Tiny Tim.
Hi everybody.
And then we're going to unbox his nice new Liverpool case.
What?
It's a Liverpool computer case for him.
I
Don't think I want it.
Yeah, I've got everything in here. Unfortunately, we can't get it all powered up at the minute, but Tim's going to do some videos.
I'll do some videos when I get home. Definitely.
But yeah.
Well, I've got a question question for you.
Yeah.
Are you my real dad?
I'm not now. I've got my beard for the hair for it now.
Right, so this is everything in here is for me?
Yes.
Oh, thank you so much. Will you help me lift it up?
I will, yeah.
Yeah, because I don't want it to... Whoa!
Oh my god. Oh my god.
That is me! Have you seen this little picture? That is me.
Oh my god.
What my flipping heck?
Oh my god.
What? Love you, bye.
Toot toot up.
Tiny Tim family. And my face. Uncle Barry. I am clever. That is so good. Oh my god, I've got a really big dog.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's amazing.
And then on the front there's a
That is
couple
so
of little
good.
bits on there as well.
That is me. Oh, Tiny Tim's a bit.
That is so good.
It's all, let's say, when it's all turned on, it's all red. So all the lights are set to red.
Just red.
Yeah.
Just red.
Yeah.
Not for any particular.
No, just for red.
Because
Because that's my favourite colour. Right, it's definitely not Liverpool.
And then there's a screen on here and a screen here, which will show all the stuff when it's working.
How do you expect me to play the game on tiny little screens?
Well, Tiny Tim, tiny screen.
I get it.
No, that is so good. Oh my god.
Could put fish in there.
You could, yeah.
Electrocute. I don't want to do that because we like fish.
I love it. That is so good. That is so good.
Thank you, sir.
I want to plug it in now. Really want to plug it in now. Oh my god, that's amazing.
That is so good. Oh my god. Thank you so much,
That's all right.
Dad.
I can
It
be
is
massive,
so,
Tim.
That is so good. I love this. How have we done that? That is so
That is
good.
done. It's all been etched by a friend of mine who does like laser engraving and stuff.
That is brilliant.
And it's literally lasered it into the metal.
That is literally the best. Tiny Tim's Adventures here as well.
Look, it's got my little car on it. Oh my god.
Oh my, this is so good.
Love you, bye.
Oh, that is amazing. That is absolutely class. Thank you so much.
That's all right.
I love that. I love that. Thank you.
Yay.
I can't wait. I can't wait now. Thank you so much. Oh, I'm buzzing.
Yeah,
I'm buzzing.
You've got everything you need, and obviously you've got the 2 monitors as well.
That is
They're
so
very
good.
expensive monitors. Yeah, a bit
to
jealous
throw-
because I wanted them.
Had to throw that in. Oh, that is so good. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
That is amazing.
I love that as well.
Yeah.
No.
Well, we've got the other ones as well, like some of the different designs that you have.
Yeah.
I'm on my phone. I've only got one hand.
Oh yeah. You had one with your finger sticking your middle finger up, but I didn't know.
Don't put that on.
That is so good. No, I love it. Thank you. Thank you so much. I can't wait to put it on now.
Should we just go and put it on somewhere?
Yeah.
Oh, that is brilliant. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
As you can see, Tim was absolutely over the moon with the build itself. I'm super happy with the reaction we got from the unveiling, and it's clear to see that he really did appreciate it. He did mention to me that he wasn't really sure what to expect from it all. He kind of had it in his head, but we were just going to simply turn up and give him a bog standard PC and go, here's your computer. So to lift the lid off and see what we had done for him and his reaction made it all worthwhile. All the custom parts of the build really did the job of drawing him in to it and making it his own. Don't worry, I will attach the build footage of the final build at the end of this video so you can see it all in its glory. Unfortunately, due to some personal family reasons for Tim on the day, we couldn't get it all set up and powered up, which was our original intention. So we decided to present it to him the way we did. And even without being powered on and all lit up, it stood its own and left him amazed. Tim and James, his producer, recorded a bit of content whilst there. Then we helped load his car with a system and all the monitors, etc. to take home, and they have agreed to produce plenty of content over on their channel and social medias of the system working, introducing the system and also using the system to do live streams, gaming streams, VR play and much more. So be sure to keep an eye out on his channel for those that should be out very, very soon. They've got some big plans that this new system can unlock for their content that sound very entertaining for sure, so I'm keen to see those come to fruition. And that's pretty much it. that is the end of the first of our celebrity build series for the channel, and it was a roaring success. I want to say a huge thank you to Tim himself and his producer James for being a part of this series and project, and for taking the time to work with me on it to get this beautiful and unique Tiny Tim PC complete and presented to them. I also want to say a huge thank you to all of the companies involved that supplied the hardware to make this possible. That's Back to the Office, Scan Computers, ASRock, Deepcool, Endorphy and Handyworks. All of them are linked down below, again, if you want to check them out. It's time for me now to get started on the second celebrity of the series, and that is the one and only Thomas Turgoose, who's a local friend of mine and an up-and-coming actor with some impressive roles to his ever-growing CV. When I say you don't want to miss this one, I mean it, because this one is going to be custom built from the ground up. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel so you don't miss that one. Well, that's all for me for now. Thank you for watching the first of this series, and I look forward to seeing you for the next instalment too. I'm going to leave you now with some nice fancy cinematic shots and music of this build to enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.
We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up all our friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long and sing along to every song. We don't need nobody's attention, don't need nobody else in our zone.
I have got a really big dog. Chardonnay. I'm 3, nearly 6. My mum puts me in the bin. You're my real dad. I am clever. I'm not fit. Love you. Bye. My Uncle Barra